Hey guys, Tim for MVP Machine. This is kind of a quick follow-up to my last video where I explained why I use a large fly cutter for small parts, and just a couple other points I wanted to make. When you're doing that, you don't really need a hard stop, so it makes your setup extremely quick on the CNC. Here I have two hot rolled parts. They're approximately 3.5 by 2 inches, and I have to do a squaring job on them, remove the mill scale and square up the parts. And Suburban Tool fly cutter is an excellent tool for doing this, just because you have the 6-sided insert, and basically I have 120 parts. I doubt I'll have to index that insert once on 120 faces like this. So a little bit quicker setup than a normal job would be, and I'm almost done with this one, but I have the last few. I thought I'd show you this running just to prove my point, and then show you guys I practice what I preach. I'm running this at 700 RPMs and 6.8 inches a minute. And the depth of cut is approximately 8 thou. I'm trying to keep it rather shallow on this so that I don't wind up having to deburr the edges, and so far it's worked out pretty good. Still getting a great finish after many parts, and we're still on our first tip for the insert. These are what the tips are looking like coming off of this. Got that nice yellow hue, they're not getting black, there's no heat transferred to the parts. And for two parts we've got 1 minute and 16-second cycle time. So you can do the math, it's pretty quick.